Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5101650 or KB5100998. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. All these commands are provided in the video description. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if the scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness. Somewhere at the top you will find app readiness. Make a double click. Again set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Make a right click. Click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update. And if you see retry option, you can hit retry. Try to install the update again. Still not working, you can pause and restart the update. Over here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause. And once the update is paused, you will see resume updates option over here. So if you see resume update option over here, click on resume update. So click on resume updates. Now you can try to install the update. Still not working. Then next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, whichever update you are unable to install. So if you are unable to install this update, that is KB5101650, or this one, whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update over here, KB5101650, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. And then check your system type, so go to system and then scroll down, go to about option. Over here check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download, and now on this screen click on update, that is KB5101650. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. Once installed, restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Now over here you can see advanced option, click on advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here. Click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.